Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI, and if you're looking for some really good baking mats, then these are for you. These baking mats are from the Amazon Basic Collection. It comes in a 3-pack. The small is 9 by 13, the medium is 9.85 by 14.76, and the large is 16.5 by 11.6. They are silicone and non-stick, so there's no need for oil, cooking sprays, or parchment paper. It is oven safe up to 480 degrees, and it's really easy to wash with mild soap and water. I love that I can bake my cookies with these and they don't burn my cookies at the bottom, because honestly, who really wants burnt cookie bottoms? I'm so happy that I finally don't need any parchment paper, because I can't tell you how many times I've wanted to bake cookies and I didn't have a non-stick sheet or parchment paper, and now I don't have to worry, and that's my point of view.